Good evening. So, not on for long tonight, but what I am going to be doing is taking part in the scientific survey, which is ongoing with Distant Worlds 3. And tonight, I'm just going to work on the colonization. I'm saying right. The Colonization Properties Survey. And this is a bit of effort to, according to the words of the creator, it will investigate whether planetary or system level characteristics influence the number of available surface and orbital colonization slots. So yeah, I've just got to do a bit of surveying with systems, and which will hopefully provide some useful information. So I've done one system already. Let's have a quick look at that one. This is the system I'm currently in. Okay, on the screen you can see I've basically recorded the number of orbital slots, and this is all obtained from, and I will show you, Open System Map.
System map.
Okay, so here it shows you all the available slots in this system. Okay, so for example, we've got, and it actually tells you, it's quite useful, it tells you where these orbital slots are, who they're tied to. So these are tied to the star. So you've got 0 slot, slot 1, and this one here, slot 2. So we actually got 3 slots, 3 orbital slots for this star. So if you go into the website I've recorded, you'll see it here, 3 slots next to the star. There you go. Is that going to give me a... Not doing that, okay. Yeah, you got 3 slots there. Okay. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's actually a bit confused at first, but yeah, makes perfect sense now. So I'm going to do another couple of systems. So let's have a look, shall we? Open Galaxy Map.
Displaying star map.
Now I'm quite fortunate at the moment in that the system I've chosen already has an entry in Spanish. It doesn't need to upload anything at all. I just need to update the slots. So that's where the thimble I really can't speak tonight. Is let's go to, what's this one here, 33. Let's go there, shall we? So we're going to check this out. So bring up Raven again. I may have to go and drop kick a cat in a second. So on the system page, let's enter in this system's information, shall we? SLAIYI, oh, SLAIYI, KCD, D12-8. Let's see what we've got here, shall we? Just loading, hopefully loading some information up. Importing something. Right, okay. So it's quite a busy little system actually. So there's 16 bodies, unknown slot counts. So I'm guessing we're going to be heading over to that system then, which I shall do now. So I don't need to scan it because Spanish is already aware of the system, which is cool. I just need to fill in the slot details. Engage hyperspace.
Interstellar travel mode engaged.
Biologicals in this one as well, apparently. Very nice. Okay, so the system has already been discovered previously. There was an entry in Spanch. What we need to do now is open up architect view in the system map. So open system view, open system map.
Opening map.
Right, and we need to go to architect view, which we are in now, which is awesome. I can see my 3 stars, A, B, and C. And just a case now of recording the number of orbital slots, etc., etc. So, let's start. So we have 1 orbital slot against the A star. So we put in there, we do 1, that's fine. Many thanks for the follow. Sorry, I didn't catch the name. Yeah, we'll do. No worries. I'm just in the middle of doing something at the moment. But yeah, of course, I'll most definitely add you. Not a problem. Many thanks, Tom. So yeah, these don't need that. Okay, fine. It's okay. The first star has the 1 orbital slot. The second star, which is the B star in the system, has 2. I will add 2 there. And this is the fun one. This has got all the additional bodies linked to it. So we have, and you can find out, let's say, which body the slots are linked to. And this one is linked to the main star, so the C star. And I'm not actually seeing a primary port on this one, or am I? Oh, it is. There's the primary port. That's recorded as an orbital slot anyway, so that's not a problem. Right, okay, so we have 1, 2, we have 2 orbital slots against this star. And then we have body 1, has no surface slots, but it has 2 orbitals, one of which is the primary port. So record 2 there. Body number 2 has 1 orbital slot. What is that? Is that a... Yes, it's... Okay. Is that a... I think it is it? It's not a... Is that an Earth-like? No, it's not. That's it if it is. Anyway, so 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3 orbital. No planetary. But on 3A, we have 4 site slots and 1 orbital. That's that recorded. That was body 1, 2, 3. So body number 4 has just the 1 orbital. As does number 5. That's just the 1 orbital too. 6 has 1 orbital. 7 has 2. 8 has 1. 8A has 2 and 5 planetary slots. Nice. And then what was that? That was 5, and that wasn't. That was 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 has the 1. 10 has 2, and 11 has 1. And that is all there is to it. Oh, architect's not yet. Okay. So that is the slot information that is required for the CoPS survey. Not too difficult, pretty straightforward. Depending on the size of the system, it could be quite time consuming, but it's fun to know that you're contributing in some small way. So yeah, I shall crack on and do some other systems. Catch you later, commanders.